Hi, welcome back. It is Sunday, the 29th of August 2021, and I'm just doing a review of the last 4 weeks. And it's my week 5 review was last time, so it's about 4 weeks since my last one. I suppose, so my current fasting weight is down to 16 stone 1.2 pounds, which is like the lowest I had was about 3 weeks ago, and I think that was probably the last time actually I hit my target, just under my target of 25 pounds and 50, which I think that was my target for the beginning of August, which just going here was 228. Yeah. Now I suppose if I look at my target for the end of this week was 218 pounds. So and I think that I suppose if I look back to where I was 4 weeks ago, I have dropped £7 of weight on my fasting weight. So I suppose that is good, and the weight's coming down, and my averages, um, sort of. Well, my target, I suppose, average weight loss is about 2.5 pounds a week. So I made that last week. So that's after 8 weeks of doing this, 2 months, and gives me a roughly about £20 drop in weight. Looking at the fasting weight for my original record weight, 17 stone 0.56. So that is good. Though I think the last 4 weeks it really has to. It's been consistent on the days that I've been doing it, um, and you can see consistently a loss like week 6. About okay, I actually gained weight. I gained weight on week 5, but it's week 6, £9 to, so that's like £9 lost. Week 7 during the week is about £4. Week 8, that was another £9. I actually got through the 16 stone mark. Then it's leveled off a bit, so it made £2 this week. Now, I suppose last couple of weeks my exercise hasn't been that consistent. I was doing running 3 times a week, and then I was trying to add in my walking, and I've done a few walks and 5k walks, and I think I got up to about 8k in one walk last week. But I also have had a shift change here, so I'm starting work at the moment at 5 in the morning, and I'm not being able to keep my window at noon to not eat till noon, so I can do my 16 no, 18 6 hour fast, intermittent fast on Tuesday, and fast on Wednesday. So I think I'm going to change the window to 3 o'clock, because that's when I'm waking up in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Because currently I was finishing eating at 6 in the evening. So I'm going to try and bring that down next week to 3 o'clock. So at least when I wake up, I would have had 12 hours of not eating, and then the measurement may make more sense, though I'm sure I'm interrupting some key hormonal cycles by getting up at 3 a.m. in the morning. I also have a social function on Tuesday, so I probably won't be able to fast after in the evening. So what I might do that day is do a full 24-hour fast. So if I've got it shifted, so if I haven't eaten after 3 p.m. Monday, then I won't eat till after 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Um, so, and I also think that what I need to do is to do some low calorie restrictions until I can bring my target. I definitely want to reach the target in for September, which is what's set to 218. So 218, what's that going to be? That's going to be plus 15, 14, 28. So 15 stone and pounds. That's a target for September. So I really want to hit that. Um, so I think fasting and calorie restriction consistently. And the other thing which I pay more attention is the calories I'm actually taking, the type, whether it's fat, protein or carbohydrates. I've almost kicked out all my starches except bread, so I think that bread is the next thing to go. And also I'm thinking about taking out meat, and when I think I need protein I'm going to have a vegetarian protein. I've got a vegetarian protein supplement, but I'm going to see if I can focus on having vegetarian protein or animal protein. So I suppose the good news is that I'm losing weight, but I sort of plateaued in the last 4 weeks. And that sort of weight loss then gave me a false security 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Um, so I'm sort of beginning to come to the idea that fasting needs to be done, or calorie restriction needs to be done until you actually achieve the target that you want, and then you can, go back to eating normally, or as full calorie, the full sort of meals you want to eat. So once you reach a fasting target, then you can, for the week, then you can relax. So, which gives you the benefit of not, ideally, not changing the metabolic rate, though I have to say I still haven't really seen the evidence that happens. Now, obviously, there's changes happening in the last 4 weeks that have meant that my weight drop isn't as high as it isn't as fast as I want it to be, and these could be many factors, including, maybe I am eating more calories and I'm not realizing it because I'm not calorie counting, even though I'm trying to be more conscious of what I'm eating, and also probably eating at the weekend can't be unrestricted anymore. Maybe one day a week you can have when you're not actually thinking about it, but the rest you think you need to have to manage it, for consistent weight loss anyway. So that is my review. It's probably not isn't great, but just trying to keep this consistent and keep up with it. Obviously I need to pay attention to getting down to the weight, or else I won't hit my target for February. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time to watch my review. Please do like, subscribe. Please do leave comments of your own weight loss experience, or any advice you think might be helpful to me. And I try and do my best to follow through on comments where I can. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time. Take care.